Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are here and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 6 on the topic Lesson 5. I'm repeating, today our topic is Lesson 5. And students, this is lecture number 4 and homework number also 4. Now students, please take your textbook. I'm going to read for you. Listen to me carefully. Lesson 5. Students, open page number 14. I'm reading from A1. Choose appropriate words from the box to complete the dialogue below. Then act out the dialogue in pairs. So what can you see in the box? There are some letters inside the box. I'm reading this. These words are letters, restaurant, streets, place, morning. Students, you have to select the appropriate word for these gaps. First question is, what does a cleaner do? The answer is, a cleaner cleans our houses, office and dash, etc. We know a cleaner cleans our houses, office and streets, etc. So in first gap, you have to write streets. Next question, what does a newspaper hawker do? Answer is, a hawker gives us newspapers every dash. We know a hawker gives us newspapers every morning. So in number 2, we have to write morning. What does a postman do? A postman delivers dash and the other items to us. A postman delivers, can you get the word? It would be letters. A postman delivers letters and other items to us. Next question, what does a rickshaw puller do? A rickshaw puller takes us from one dash to another. And the answer will be one place to another. Here you have to write place. A rickshaw puller takes us from one place to another. Last question, what does a waiter do? And the answer is, a waiter serves food at the, and only one word is left and it would be restaurant. And here you have to write, a waiter serves food at the restaurant. Now students, come to part B, read the text about Bulbul and answer the questions below. So this passage is about Bulbul. We will learn about him from this passage. I'm going to read for you. Bulbul collects rubbish from the Shankar area in Dhaka. Every morning, he wakes up at 5 o'clock and walks along the streets of Shankar to collect rubbish. So the boy Bulbul, who collects rubbish from the area Shankar, which is in Dhaka, he wakes up every morning at 5 o'clock and he walks in the streets of Shankar to collect rubbish from door to door. People of Shankar put their rubbish in plastic bins and leave them in front of their houses. So the people of Shankar area, they used to use plastic bins for their rubbish and they leave this in front of their houses. Bulbul walks from door to door to collect them. Sometimes the bins are very dirty and they smell bad, but Bulbul does not mind. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them in his van. We know rubbish has a lot of smell and it is bad smell and it is very dirty, and for this Bulbul never minds. He takes out everything from the bins and puts them in his van. He believes that all jobs are important. Students, this is very important line. He believes that all jobs are important. Yes, it's true. There are a lot of jobs in this world and we can't ignore any job because all jobs are important. He works hard every day to keep this area clean. So as Bulbul is working as a rubbish collector, he respects his job and he never think that any job is less important, and that's why he works hard and keeps the area of Shankar neat and clean. Now come to page number 15. Last month, Bulbul was sick for 2 days, so he could not come to collect the rubbish. As Bulbul was sick for 2 days. He couldn't able to collect the rubbish from the area. The people of Shankar were in great trouble. They got piles of rubbish waiting in front of their houses. As Bulbul was sick, he couldn't be able to come to collect the rubbish, so people were in great trouble because all the rubbish were in front of their houses. The whole area became dirty and unhygienic. We know rubbish has bad smell and it's dirty, so it is unhygienic. When Bulbul got well, he came back to Shankar. He collected everything from all the bins. Bulbul does not want to fall sick again. He realizes if he stops working even for a few days only, the whole area will turn into a big dustbin. So when Bulbul come around and he come to the area again and he collected all the rubbish from all the bins, and he doesn't want to fall sick again because he can realize that if he stops working for the people and the area of Shankar, people will be sick like him and the area will be turned into a big dustbin. Students, from this passage we come to know that Bulbul is a rubbish collector and he respects his job. Like him, we have to respect all jobs. We have to respect, like Babul, all people. We have to give their own respect. I hope you can understand what is the summary of this passage. Now student, it's time to provide your homework. Your homework will be B1. In page number 15, B1, that means this question answer will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be lesson 1, B1, question answer. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.